Hello guys, we are back with another video. Today I am playing on my phone. You might be noticing the background I am walking around. Well, turns out I just figured this out yesterday. And look, I don't have to just go around with my camera all the time. I can go with my goddamn phone on games, man. But we're gonna be taking a look at my monsters. So, guys, these are my singing monsters. I have a little frog hiding back here. Hold on, let me get him. Look at him. Look at him. Okay, so. But anyways, guys, this is super awesome. I wonder if I can do this on other games. I might be not able to, but anyways, guys, this is so cool, man. I'm not on my Xbox. I'm not on like anything else. I'm not on nothing else. I'm just on my phone. You might be like, oh, how'd you do this? But you gotta download this game. It's pretty freaking cool. You got diamonds that you can see at the top. We got 80% food, I think. Yeah, we got 80% of food. But look at this, guys. Watch what I can do. Monster, what are you doing? Get out. Look at this stuff. Let's go to monsters. Let's see what... Oh, there's a rare gas. But the ones that I cannot get are ones... Well, I can get, like, these... I cannot get the new ones. Like, that one, or that one. I can get all the other ones, but, like, not this one. But not those. I can get this one very easy to get. I don't have 50 diamonds, but I can breed them. I can get him super easy to get. Super easy to get. All you gotta do is just get two multi-combats, and ta-da! Multi-monsters, and then you just breed them together. Make sure this it's in that exact pattern. If not, it's not gonna work. Okay, guys? But anyways, guys, look at this. I mean, like, these are the starter Pokemons I have. The starter, monsters I have. I had a Noggin the first time. The first ever monster I ever had on here was the Noggin. Then the second one was the Mammoth. The Toe Jammer was the third. But then I went on and I got on to level 9. I was on level 1. I was like, seriously, fuck. Then I was like, wait, what the fuck? But then I was like, well, what the fuck? Because I just realized that this like shit was doing this shit today. But anyways, guys, this is so cool, man. I mean, oh god, shit. Shit, but I have a T-Ronx in my nursery right now. Not my nursery, but like exit. Well, let's just exit this shit. But anyways, guys, guys, girls, gals, whatever y'all, whatever gender you are. See, dude, look at this. So I have a frog, which is what's it called? I don't fucking know what a frog is. A frog is. Oh. Fuck. Fucking beautified fucking monster. Oh, hell no. Fuck. Fucking. I'm gonna press the home button. Hell. It still fucking works. It fucking works. Guys, this is an iPhone. This is an iPhone. I'm fucking mad about my fucking iPhone. Oh, fuck, my parents. Fuck. But anyways, fucking annoying. But anyways, guys, look. Okay, guys. Can I play Subway Surfers? Can I play Subway Surfers? I'm just wondering if I can play Subway Surfers. Oh, I can! What the Boom! I'm gaming. I'm gaming. I'm gameplaying. Say sup in the homies. Well, look, I'm in the corner. I'm in the corner of my phone. I'm watching some videos. Oh, guys, I'm really good at this game. You might even think I'm bolder, but I'm not. Do I breast stink? But anyways, guys. But seriously, I want y'all to let me know if my breast stinks in the comments. If you say I do, I'll come to your house and beat you up with a sledgehammer. I'm just kidding, man. What are you? What am I, a crazy dummy? Oh yeah, let me play this game. Let me play this game. What the? This is an iPhone 6 Plus, so guys, this is pretty big. But Jesus! What the hell is this? Oh my... Queens! Oh, fuck me, man. Fuck me. Oh, come on. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me, man. I'm fucking playing Subway servers and fucking these bitches. Get the hell away from me, cops. Ah, fuck, they're all leaving. Yay! Let's do this. Let's do this shit. Oh. Blue. Beluga. I love my Ruga. I love my Booga. Shut up. I'm in my dream. Oh, fucking okay, guys, y'all want me? Oh. I'm gonna go home. Whoa, fuck me, man. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck me, man. I don't really need to see this. But anyways, I'm gonna go home. And oh, look at this. The ass, so I'm on the back of the car. I'm on the back of the car. You might not see this, but I'm on the back of the car. Yo, that ass. You're standing on me. The red hair against the inside of the ass. Right, but they be like, what the fuck?
After what you said about the biggling.
What? Ooh. Oh shit. Oh shit. How? Oh, fuck me, man. Fuck me. I'm about to use some karate moves. Like, what? What? Oh, 6 coins. Ooh, Misty Bucks. You might on the front of the Misty Bucks. Misty Bucks, I'm on the front of the Misty Bucks. Oh, fuck. That's everything. Money! Double up. Double it. Double up. Ah! Black. I can't see nothing. I can't see. Oh, come on. What? Is that my phone? What the heck? Oh, am I in? Oh, I'm in the picture. Crap, no, I'm in it. Yeah. Yes, I'm on the top of the volcano. No. I know. What? Oh, no. X button. $3,000. $3,000. Oh yeah. So I'm not enough problem yet. Okay, so score. Oh, that's gonna be hard. The ass lady again. It's the ass lady again. Fuck, I can't do this. Oh, fuck me, I can't do this shit. That's it, man. I'm gonna go home. I wanna go home. Yeah. Please don't shit. I got another problem. I don't give a fuck. I know. Oh my god, it's the ass lady again. You gotta buy some hoverboards, man. I can't do this. I can't do it. Never mind. Oh shit! No. Whew. Oh yes. Next video we are going to be looking at my what's it called? Shit. I just started again. I only have 4 left. Well, next video, guys, we will be see that move? Next video we will be looking at some try not to laugh videos, okay guys? And this will be hard to do because I am not really a huge fan of laughing. Okay, just kidding, I am a huge fan of laughing. You might be like, what the hell does laughing mean? If you don't know what laughing means, you're fucking freaky. You're fucking freaky if you do not know what fucking laughing is. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I am so glad I did this. Bye. Oh, this shit is still doing this shit. How do you do this shit?